like to be the first to welcome you to Dallas Fort Worth. Local time is 3:22. Please remain seated till the captain is taxied the aircraft to the gate. Leave the aisle clear of all personal belongings. Once we've arrived at the gate, the seatbelt sign is turned off. Check seat back pockets and overhead bins for any personal belongings that you may have brought with you. As a reminder, take caution when opening the bins as items may have moved during our landing. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be arriving at gate A18, baggage claim A16. You may now use cell phones or all other electronic devices must remain off. And on behalf of the entire flight crew, we